So this is my first time seeing a swarm in real life. He raises bees, but one of the queens just hatched, if you will, and they're swarming. He's gonna try and catch them and put them in this box here. I've watched videos on how to identify the queen, but I don't know which one's which. They all look the same to me, but I know the queen looks different. She's got a bigger abdomen, I think they call it. She's got a bigger butt. And sometimes it's a different color. It's like more solid orange or something. But she's probably in the middle underneath all these guys. She'd have to dig through them in order to find her. That's a big pile of bees.
Find some more frames. Man, how do I get them in there? Oh, here.
That's the attractant.
Yeah, Swarm Commander.
So it don't take a lot.
No, just they said 2 sprays inside and 1 on the entrance. Guess maybe I'll put a couple more because well, it's lemongrass, a mixture of that.
Oh, okay.
I know it's got that in it. That's what that smell is.
Well, this one's already flying over here like, hey, what's going on over here?
Yeah, well, yep. See, there's a good house right here. You guys just weren't paying attention. Or you girls. Well, there's probably a drone. Yeah, the queen's probably right in the middle of all that.
Oh, yeah, you'd have to dig her out.
That could be. Yeah, see, there's a nice house for you. I was all ready for you guys. Yeah, I was talking to that guy. He had like, 200 hives at his house. And he said he has one queen that always wants to swarm all the time. One particular, they just seem to have he can't keep her in a place. He didn't believe I'd catch any bees. Last year he was trying to sell me a nuke, and I said, well, if I can't catch them, I'm probably not smart enough to raise them, so I'm going to try to catch them.
Right.
And he had me over to his house after I caught some, and he had a big swarm that was way up like 50 feet in a tree, and he couldn't get it to. It's right there, and Mommy doesn't have to go very far. Just go right in the box. I'm talking to you, bees.
I know.
Oh, and there's one of them down in the middle. It's doing a dance, telling them to go somewhere.
Cool.
When they get back, they'll do a little dance on the front. That tells all the rest of them where to go.
Right, so there's probably some out looking for a home.
Oh yeah. They usually they'll make a decision, but yeah, see, the queen will kill any other queen in there, so they gotta leave. I mean, there's no choice when they start.
Right.
they've just been so aggressive. I've been, not looking in there too much. They get kind of grumpy and sting me all the time. So they weren't that bad last.
Well, that's probably why they're aggressive, because they had a new queen.
There's those hives back there. I guess I could spray them too. I thought they were good.
Those other big ones?
Yeah. I don't care where they go.
They stay here, yeah.
I love it. I took all the. Oh, I got racks over here. Not very many.
Enough to get started, right?
Yeah, well, I took them all out to put them in my trap. I had some with hive or comb left in them. And now that I make them, I really think it's good to put hardware cloths on the front to keep mice from getting in, because I've had a terrible time with mice getting in. They haven't got much comb for them to start with. If I had that wax foundation, it'd be a lot easier, but mine have to start from scratch because I don't have that.
Right.
And this one, oh, this one's got a lot more. I'll split them up. I made all these myself from scratch. It'd be better if the wood was dry. This is locust. I like the water.
So you don't have to basically put that one stuff on it. They'll make their own.
They will. It just takes them longer. That just speeds things up if they.
Oh, okay.
They have a foundation. It's already there. All they gotta do is
Add to it.
Yeah.
Ow, ow. Honey locust.
Oh. Well, at least let me do this.
Oh, there's the honey locust right there.
Yep.
Bastards. I hate honey locusts.
Hey, that's probably left.
Okay, see, I always thought you needed to have that comb, that pre-comb, if you will.
Oh, actually, I bought some last year. They're plastic, but I mean, they actually seem to just build their own more than using that. Really,
Just
Yeah, I
make
don't-
sure it's got these strings.
yeah. That gives them something to keep their
Their comb organized.
right.
Interesting. Okay.
Which I pulled these out. They've done a really good job of keeping it straight. Now those back in the woods, they build across the frames and everything else. That was the best.
Right.
I didn't look inside a lot, 'cause like I say, they're pretty trippy. You want to go back and see that one too, if you got time? Because
No,
it's
we're
back
cool.
at the edge of the woods. So. I just had a bee tree back there, so I put 2 more traps back, or 2 or 3 traps back there, to hopefully when they swarm. See, now there's the bee tree and the one I caught them in, so there's 2 chances of them swarming back there, just like I guess there is here. But there, I was gonna scoot all that down.
Oh, and spray them.
Yeah. I got a divider in here.
Yeah. Some of them are too short, but it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it warped a little bit. So I get for using green lumber to build stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Stuff
But
like
once
that.
you get the things in here, it don't really matter.
Oh no, if you got the. Oh well, that'll be good enough. Oh. I don't know if they'll go in here, but it sure doesn't hurt to try. Oh, so you got to see the first swarm with me. That is pretty cool.
Yeah.
I've never seen one like that either. I caught a couple, but I never saw them do it.
Yeah, I've only seen it on YouTube. Oh yeah, I see that one dancing.
There are a bunch of bees in there, though. Yeah, and so she's got scouts out deciding where they move to.
Yeah.
Hopefully they'll see some of these houses real close and decide to move in here. Or actually, I've got those traps back in the woods. I could find those too. So
Just dig through there and find her and put her in a trap.
well, it'd be nice if I could, but I don't.
I mean, I've seen people do it on YouTube, but I don't. I
I've
guess.
learned that it's a little harder in person than on YouTube.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Recognizing her is the hardest part. I looked last year and I saw a couple of them, but she's a little bit bigger and has a bigger tail mainly.
Yeah.
I'd bet you she's right down here underneath that biggest clump.
Probably, yeah. Stick your finger in her.
I might put on my leather gloves before I do that. I got stung 20 once in a day. It's a good way to get high and not pay anything, but it's not, kind of painful.
I hear they're less aggressive when they're in a swarm like this. Is that true?
Yeah. Well, if they were aggressive, they'd be stinging us. They aren't paying attention. They're worried about her because she's outside.
Right.
Man, I can't believe how many bees there are. That's a lot.
What do you think? Probably about 1,000.
Oh, I'd guess more than that. Probably 5,000. They say there's like 5,000 in most nukes that you get, and that's probably about the size of a nuke right there. So
Oh, okay.
I'd guess five. Yeah.
It's wild.
Pretty cool, but I don't know what to do at this point. I could put on my bee suit and try to find her, but yeah, and they'll get all mad at me.
So, if you did find her and you put her in there, do you keep her in a nuke?
I've got a little cage to put her
Or
in.
not a nuke, but yeah, a little.
They've got these little plastic cages. If you put her in there, then she'll go inside. They'll all follow her
You,
inside.
you. Oh, okay. And then you keep her in there for what? How long?
They usually have, when you buy them, they've got a candy cage they have to eat through to get to her. I think it takes them 2 or 3 days, probably.
Oh, okay. And then they're most likely to stay there.
Right. But they could just decide to fly away. I had a couple that flew away that I got moved in last year that
Yeah.
took off.
If they don't like their habitat, they'll go find another one.
Right.
Right on.
Well, there's one. Oh. Oh. See, there's a big. Oh, I bet that's her right there. Oh, no, that's a drone. They got big, buggy eyes. Drones have big eyes. I bet that's a drone. Yeah, it's not very good lifestyle as a male bee. You gotta maybe have sex one time and you die, or when winter comes, they put you outside. They aren't gonna feed you except when you can maybe breed the queen.
And we
These
think
are,
we got it bad.
yeah, it's even worse for bees. But these are definitely all girls except I don't see a drone right off. But yeah, they're bigger too. But the queen, they only have sex one time, and that gives her all the bees for 3 years or however long they live. They
Yes.
start kind of slacking off, and then they the rest of them decide, man, she's not doing a very good job, and they start making queen cells, and they get rid of her. It's part of expansion too, but they just bees are pretty smart. I think we're the ones that aren't smart because we can't understand what they're saying, but they. But all this trying hard to find bees, and they're right here, and I'm not sure exactly how to proceed.
That's kind of cool. Stretch them out like that.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I see her.
That's the drone, that one with the buggy eyes. That's it.
Oh, okay.
What bet he's on?
That's not her right there, that big fat one?
That one is a boy right there.
Oh, okay.
The queen will have a longer tail and
So it looked like that, but a lot bigger even.
right. She's got the drone. I thought those were queens at first, but they're the drone.
Okay. Wow. I'll let them down gently. There we go. That's cool.
Well, maybe I ought to get on my bee suit in that little cage and see if I can find her. But if that drone was down there, she's probably
Pretty
you're
close.
right in the right area, I guess.
Yeah, that's where you figure she might be, is in that big cluster.
Yeah.
So that's where he was.
It would be good if I could save him, but if I can't find her, they'll
Can
save
you
us wherever she is.
scoop them up and put them in there and then?
Oh, I don't think that works. I think you have to find the queen and she's what they'll follow. I don't think.
Well, I know, but I mean, yeah. Scoop them up, put them in there, and find the queen, and make sure she's in there too.
That would be a
But
possibility, I guess.
I've seen them do that on YouTube. It's
Yeah, I watched a lot of movies. I couldn't even watch them.
yeah. I didn't watch a lot because I got bored after a while, but but it's interesting.
Oh, I watched so many movies last year to learn what little I know.
Yeah.
I have this friend, he was advising me, and he must have got mad at me because he wanted me to test and see if I had mites. And I told him, well, these are native bees. I don't want to kill any bees. And he's not very good about giving advice anymore because I didn't do everything he said. I went to school with him.
Oh yeah. Well, I know somebody like that who used to always tell me how to do stuff, and then if I didn't do it his way, he'd tell me.
Oh, he actually got me in a fight. He was riding with me in my car and flipped off the drug dealers and
Oh,
they
nice.
blocked me in like a Walmart parking lot, and I wasn't gonna leave my car, but he took off running. Called the cops at least, but man, it was all his fault because he flipped him off.
Right.
Of course, he never did take him anywhere after that.
Yeah, I wouldn't either.
Well, I guess I can go get my trap and get on my suit and see if I can find her. It'd be cool if I get another hive and I don't even have to go anywhere.
Right.
See, there's a drone. That one with the black eyes. Come on, you guys, you need to tell her there's a house right here and she'll be safe. I guess I'll go find my little trap and I'll get a bee suit on and see if
Alrighty, I got stuff I gotta do.
Yeah. Well, it's
Even
cool
though
you
it'd
got
be
to
fun
see
to
that.
watch.
It'd be worth the trip over here seeing that, I think.
Yeah. Cool. Alrighty.